Hi, welcome on UPD Education, and this particular video is related to how BARC Bhabha Atomic Research Center interview is different from all other interviews, and what are the main focus points for this interview. As you know that BARC calls almost 20 times people, 20 times students for interview. Let's say if there are only 10 seats for recruitment, then they will call 200 people. Now second important thing is interview is only deciding factor for selection. Once you have cleared your written exam, then interview is the only parameter for which you will get selected. Third is written exams. For interview, people can go through two routes, one through GATE, another through their own separate exam. So they call interview, and what they believe is they want lot many people to come for interview, because importance of interview is very high in selection. Over the period of time, I have seen that and another factor which divides differentiates BARC interview from others is it is a very long duration interview. Whether you get selected or rejected, your interview will be more than 45 minutes. Normally that is the time duration. Sometime it is 1.5 hour long duration interview also. They will thoroughly check your knowledge. So long duration interview, lot many people called for interview. Interview is only deciding factor. Interview is only deciding factor, that is for ISRO also. But BARC में number of times of students called is 20 times, which is not in ISRO. I think ISRO में 7-8 times students are called. BARC में बहुत ज़्यादा बच्चों को बुलाते हैं. On the basis of my experience, I have observed that a student from normal college, ordinary college, can get selected in BARC, and student from very good college may not get selected. So they are checking some research aptitude. They are checking something which is called research aptitude. Now, what is this research aptitude? Let me tell you what is this research aptitude. Whether it can be acquired, I mean, can I acquire it within couple of weeks or something, or it is I have already developed it? Answer is both. You have it in you, and that is to be honed, that is to be acquired also. तो 1-2 वीक 3-4 वीक में आप इस तरीके से अपने आप को ट्रेन करो, अपनी अप्रोच ऐसी बनाओ, स्टार्ट आंसरिंग इन सच अ वे, स्टार्ट थिंकिंग इन सच अ वे that your research aptitude is reflected. Now, what is research aptitude? What is required in that? Thinking. Do you think or do you memorize? These two are different things. Majority of the interviews में memory based question होता है. Just now IUCL interviews just completed, and HPCL is coming and all. Who is chief of IUCL? Who is chief of HPCL? Okay, can you tell me how many refineries? ये thinking के question नहीं है, ये memory based questions हैं. आते हैं तो आते हैं, नहीं आते हैं तो नहीं आते हैं. Thinking वाले question नहीं है. Thinking वाला question कैसे होता है? Thinking वाला question क्या होता है? Typical problem मैंने आपको दे दी. मैंने आपको typical problem दे दी. ये पेन देख रहे हैं, मैंने इस पेन को फेंका, पहले ये एयर में गया, फिर ये वाटर में गया. बताओ इसके ऊपर कौन कौन सी फोर्सेज लग रही हैं? समथिंग फर्स्ट टाइम यू हर्ड, समथिंग फर्स्ट टाइम यू हर्ड. Okay, if I increase the velocity of this pen when I am moving it like this, can you draw a graph between the drag force and the velocity? Drag force and velocity. Velocity में increase कर रहा हूँ, drag force, air drag, graph plot कर सकते हैं. This is called thinking problem. पहले कभी नहीं पढ़ा आपने. Thinking check करते हैं वो आपका. Thinking is nothing but divergent thinking. Divergent, basically thinking pattern, that is what they are checking. Can you think out of the box? I mean, can you think different things? Creativity. Problem set. There is something which is called problem set. Normal mind thinks in particular way, जिस तरीके से उसको ट्यून किया जाता है. Our mind is always in particular set. ऐसे ही सोचना है. We have to think like that, because we read many books, and when we read many books, we are habitual to think in a particular way. do you break that set or not? When I give you new problem, can you think differently? Because you know, research, creativity does not depend upon conventional thinking pattern. वो आपको थोड़ा सा अलग सोचना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा हटके सोचना पड़ेगा. You need to ask yourself why, how, what, all these things. वो लोग चेक करते हैं. They are not interested in answers. What is answer? They are not interested. How you reached that answer? They are interested in that. How you reach to that answer? You are sitting on a chair, and this question is the actual BARC question last year. Last year when some students went for this interview. When you are sitting on a chair, what are the various forces acting on you? उसका फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम बनाओ, अपना फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम बनाओ. Degree this factor of safety of chair, how shall you design? What do you want to keep factor of safety of the chair? If it is wooden chair, if it is steel chair, what factor of safety would you like to design? ये क्वेश्चन पब्लिक सेक्टर में नहीं आते, ये क्वेश्चन आते हैं तुम्हारे थिंकिंग वाले. एंड वन क्वेश्चन half hour. They can discuss one particular question for half an hour. They will give you lot of time to think. बोर्ड पे जाओ, सोचते रहो. Keep thinking. We are not in hurry. You should also not be in hurry. आराम से सोचो और बताओ क्या होगा. ऐसा नहीं कि सब 10 से 15 मिनट रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चन, वैसा नहीं है. सोचो और मेरे को बताओ क्या होगा. This is how it is to be done. मैं आपको एक प्रॉब्लम दे रहा हूं. So start practicing in that way. They are checking your research aptitude. They are not interested in answer. They are not interested in rote memory. They are not interested in कि तुम्हें फॉर्मूला कितने याद हैं. They are interested in अप्रोच क्या रखोगे. प्रॉब्लम को टिकलिश मत मान के चलो. डू नॉट थिंक कि यार ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया, मैंने तो कभी सुना नहीं था. वो ऐसा ही पूछेंगे जो आपने पहले नहीं सुना होगा. बिकॉज दैट इज वॉट दे आर गोइंग टू चेक. अगर मैं वही प्रॉब्लम तुम्हें दे दूं, यार बर्नौली इक्वेशन लिख सकते हो? हाँ सर लिख सकते हैं. कैसे? मैंने रटा हुआ है सर. दैट इज दे आर नॉट चेकिंग दैट. दे वॉन्ट टू चेक कि अगर मैं इसको नया एक प्रॉब्लम देता हूँ, बिकॉज रिसर्च इज समथिंग न्यू. जो आपने पहले सीखा है नॉलेज, वो तो होना ही चाहिए, लेकिन उसके बियॉन्ड वो आपको प्रॉब्लम देगा. दैट इज हाउ यू हैव टू डू इट. कौन से 5 फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट्स होंगे, कैसे आपको तैयारी करनी है. कीप वॉचिंग मैनी वीडियोज. आई होप दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट इज क्लियर. ये वो चेक करेंगे, तो अपना प्रैक्टिस वैसे ही करो. इफ यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर विद योरपीडिया विद द मेंटर्स ऑन द सिमिलर ट्रैक, सिमिलर पैटर्न ऑफ BARC, join us and we prepare really good for this particular interview. All the best.